April 4 and we are 5 days away from ASG qualifying, and sama ko sa training pool namin are new. Not so new, but it's new, pero matagal na kami training doon and ni-renovate nila. 18 meters. So very short, but we have to make do. Hi vlog! Oh, nakasawa ako sa vlog! Hi guys! Hi guys! 2, 3, go! It's April 6th and we're here in NCC. May CNL competition pero training lang kami with Tim, Althea, and Bella. It's 4:33 a.m. It's 3:01 and second event ako, 1 back. Tapos 6th event, 55. Yeah, tao.
Thank you, Max.
Lane number 6, Ortiguera Trixie, Region 3.
Thank you, Hearts.
We're waiting for the 50 fly results. 1 back, 109 to most time, but it's fine. Yum. Good, very good. Very good. I have been wanting to try yung cookies na Subway. Wow! Ice cream! Or na. Based on research tong ginawa ko. Pero yung iba ka... Now that this has disappointed me, ito naman. I like it.
Thank you, Hearts. you, Marks.
Number 5, Ortiguera Trixie, Region 3.
Thank you, Marks.
I qualified 50 free and 1 free. Hindi ko nakuha yung 50 back. Pangit yung time ko dun. Way off my best time. But, yeah. Pati 1 back ko medyo pangit. 50 fly okay lang, pero hindi ko nakuha yung qualifying time. But yeah, 50 free and 1 free. It's April 11. It's the day after ASC tryouts. And we're back in training. Hi guys, so 4/8 of school done. Uy, ano to? That's my number. Sabi ni Coach, madali na daw yung training. So, let's see.
Hello.
This is me after crushing my third 400.
Sa airport na nilabas mo sa tingin mo?
Pala niya lumagpas. Sabi ko 4-5.
448. Kaya? Kaya ba?
Dapat. Kala nila no ako yung phone nila ako eh.
But they're doing that. So yeah. And that I didn't even. Oh, there she is. It was already low bat. Guys, chill out. It's Trixie. She's my mommy. I'm in the toilet. She's back. Took you long enough. Bye, guys. Hi, Zabby.
Oh, Hi, Zabi daw.
Ruby.
Say mo, hi ka. Hi ka, boo.
Hi.
Tara, dolphin. Trixie, tara.
Hi guys. So, sinave ko yung battery na to kasi malulobat na. Hindi ko binidyohan yung 8x100 tsaka 8x50 kasi sabi nila magda-dive daw kami ton. So I was like, oh, so exciting! Tapos bro, bawal pala. Like, di ba Angel? Hi guys! We're here for lunch, tapos babalik din kami. Ay, lunch and magbo-bowling and billiards. And babalik na kami for afternoon swim.
Hindi naman nahulog yung...
From 544 to 535.
Kanina pa kami nagkikik. This is only hope. We're back with 400 feet. Out for dinner, and guys, this is my new favorite song. Guys, please help. We're doing 400 feet again. We are at stopover on the way to Manila for Ateneo's Fast 50 tomorrow.
Chelsea from St. Scholastica Academy. Lane 2 is Zariel Jones from Dax Swim Club. All swimmers for events number 1. Lane 3 is Ortiguera Trixie. Lane 4 is Alvalina. Lane 5 is Coleman. Lane 3 is Latora Natasha from UPBS. Lane 4 Coleman. Chloe from UPBS. Lane 4 Coleman Rihanna. Loretta Cassandra May from Dax Swim Club. Lane 4 Ortiguera Trixie on the patch.
Take your bikes.
And our winner for this round is Trixie Ortiguera. For the second round, between Trixie Ortiguera and Rihanna Coleman.
Start looks good. Most of us. Lane 4 is leading. And it looks like
Take your bikes.
Congrats. This is for the gold medal. Gold on the water. The gold winners. Oh my God.
No tricks!
And it looks like Trixie Ortiguera wins. Mishka Singh! Okay.
Take your bikes.
Hi guys! So, ito yung freebies prizes ng Fast 50. Deodorant, Nike bag, Aqua flask. Let's see. Wow, white. White. Roller. Kami naman yan. Kamay. What? Deodorant ulit. Arena. Training goggles. Sunnies. Sunnies. Sunnies.
Maganyan.
Maganda rin. And then the Fast 50 shirt. Fast 50. Rihanna gave this to me in exchange sa blue and pink combination ng Amanzico. Cap collection from Jalel. 1, 2, 3.
Oh man, animal yung lagi ng animal. Lion.
Angel, go! Jassy. matagal na akong nag-vlog kasi nasira yung GoPro ko. And may dumating na Nike, from Nike Swim. And we're gonna... Ito yung sinasabi kong sana. Ito yung dumating. Like, bro, this is so cute! Mamalong!
Bigay, ayun yung ano? Yung
yeah. I've never seen this before! And it has like Nike gibbets sa likod. Ito rin. 20% off sa Nike Swim. Guys, it's so cute! And this is the other one. May jumper ba yung mga Nike? We are 3 days away.
Oh, 3 days. 2 days na lang.
2 days?
Oh, Saturday, Monday. Di ba? Monday lang laba.
But it's Saturday, Sunday. Events today, the event lang, 100 baht. I need to get 107.
Swimming on the lane 0, the cruise and the world lane 1, Zara, Malaysia, Indonesia, lane number 6, lane number 6, and
It's me again, but after one bank. Yeah, it's bad. 50 fly and 450 free.
on lane 0 is
Godric! Godric! Fly was so bad. Like 30 yung time ko. Targeting. At least like 29 low. Dapat tinatch ko na lang. But nag-add pa ako ng isang stroke and bad.
Swimming on lane 0 from the red line, lane number 8, Angela City, and lane number 9 from the province of Pampanga. To please proceed on the side. Again, purchase from the head of the design sa may diving area. Please proceed on the
It's Clara a day. Yes, sir. 1 free and 50 back and 4 by 100 medley. ito. Say hi, Daddy.
Swimming on lane 0, Regacho Alexa from Alono City. Lane 1, Reyes Avialane, Alongo City. Lane 2, Baron Cassandra. Lane 7, Pato Sara from Angeles City. Lane 8, Maria Alia from San Jose del Monte City. And lane 9, Roberts Yuna, Babalapag City. Number 4. Swimming on lane 0, Gobuni Angel Magdalene from Tarlac City. Lane 1, Baguio FJ Catherine, Mabalacat City. Lane 6, Liberado Patricia, Olongapo City. Lane 7, Maluyon Alexandria Marie, San Jose del
This is relay number 2. One free was bad. Some alone time because my swims were so bad. 100 free. That's after lunch. Yeah, I don't know. Parang wala ako sa focus. And that's my bad. Let's just go autopilot. Kasi I've swam 100 free naman a lot of times na. So this time it wasn't. Just yeah, from that I've learned a lot of things.
Swimming on lane 0, Benedict Natalie from Botana. Lane 1, Liberado Patricia from Olongapo City. Lane 2, Alexa from Malala City. Lane 7, Luna Liera from Olongapo City. Lane 8, Gobuni Angel from Tarlac City. And lane 9, Liberado Carina from Rome.
I can't see myself, but this is Red's phone, and hindi ko alam kung kaya ko to. Ah! Uy! This is, I don't know, party, but it's a party after the competition, and we are all tired.
Mamaya pa yung konti. Tuloy-tuloy muna po tayo sa...
And the entire management of the division office